Philippines' acquisition of F-16V fighter jet from U.S. seeks to block by China. Chinese government secretly calls Lockheed Martin CEO Marilyn Houston through the backdoor channel after China intercepted a plan by the Philippines to purchase fighter jets from the United States. They asked the CEO to stop and block the Philippine government on its acquisition plan to procure 1 squadron or 12 units of F-16V fighting Falcon fighter jets. This was confirmed by our insider at the control and assembly plant facility inside Lockheed Martin. The CEO responded and strictly informed China that they have no rights to do this. It is highly unacceptable to follow a direct order from them or orders from the other government because it will compromise company's interest. We can only follow orders from our own government, the United States of America. In fact, we cannot derail such agreement because it is a G-to-G policy or government-to-government arrangement. CEO added. F-16 Fighting Falcon is a single-engine, multi-role fighter aircraft originally developed by General Dynamics for the United States Air Force, USAF. Designed as an air superiority day fighter, it evolved into a successful all-weather multi-role aircraft. Over 4,500 aircraft have been built since production was approved in 1976. Although no longer being purchased by the U.S. Air Force, improved versions are still being built for export customers. In 1993, General Dynamics sold its aircraft manufacturing business to the Lockheed Corporation, which in turn became part of Lockheed Martin after a 1995 merger with Martin Marietta. But the next year, 2016, Philippine Air Force fighter pilots that's already trained in flying a Korean-made F-50 Golden Eagle fighter jet will be capable of flying this fourth-generation F-16V fighter jets, which are the latest version of its class, according to Defense Secretary. The Philippines are considering this type of fighter jet and they are now in a process to acquire 1 squadron multi-role 12 units F-16V Viper fighting Falcon fighter jets through the help and offer of the United States Military Soft Loan Assistance Package. This will help guard their territory against any intrusion in the West Philippine Sea. Recently, President U.S. made a request to the Congress to prioritize the approval of Philippines' security defense budget. An approval of U.S. Congress soft loan package is on its way, waiting for immediate signing and implementation. The project acquisition of 1 squadron 12 units F-16V fighting Falcon fighter jets including parts, missiles, weapons, and training has a hefty price tag of around $386 million. Thanks for watching and hearing about this latest military news. Video is just an illustration and hope you enjoy it.